Here we have the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze 1LT, stock number 124537. This vehicle has approximately 15,000 kilometers with a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive. This vehicle has a factory exterior color of black. This Cruze comes equipped with front bucket seats with cloth trim, remote vehicle start, as well as a rear window defogger, climate control, as well as power and heated exterior mirrors, and 16-inch steel wheels with painted silver wheel covers. Other features include steering wheel audio controls, XM satellite radio, as well as ONSTAR turn-by-turn navigation. It also includes Chevrolet MyLink, an AM/FM radio with CD MP3 playback and a 7-inch color touchscreen, Bluetooth, as well as audio streaming, tire pressure monitors, USB ports, and a rear vision camera. At Finch Chevrolet, we strive to give you the best in previously owned vehicles. This one comes e-tested, safetied, and certified with a complimentary CarProof report. We also offer you the Finch promise of 2 years free oil changes, roadside assistance, and a 30-day exchange privilege. Stop in today and see Finch first. You won't be disappointed.